In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build from scratch in Gumloop 2026, step by step. By the end, you'll know exactly how to start a brand new automation and guide it from a blank canvas to a solid first version. First, open your browser and go to Gumloop. Once you're in, you'll land on the workspace. Look to the left-hand side of the screen for the main navigation panel. If it's collapsed, hover or click to expand it so you can see all the options clearly. Find the workflow section in that left sidebar and click it. This takes you to the place where all your existing automations live and where you can spin up new ones. At the top right or near the header area, select Create Workflow. This is your starting gate for anything new you want to build. When the creation options appear, choose Build me an automation from scratch. This tells Gumloop you want a fresh, clean setup instead of using a template. It's perfect when you already have a goal in mind and want the system to scaffold the pieces for you. Next, you'll create a prompt. Think of this as your blueprint. One clear instruction that explains what you want to build. Keep it direct and outcome focused. A helpful approach is to include what the workflow should do, what kind of input it expects, and what output you need. For example, you can type build a mini AI tool from scratch. It's short, clear, and gives Gumloop enough direction to start shaping the flow. After you submit your prompt, Gumloop will automatically process it. You'll see it think for a moment while it drafts the structure, proposes steps, and lays out the initial components. This part usually only takes a short while. Let it finish. There's no need to click around during processing. If your internet is slow, just be patient and keep the tab open until it completes. That foundation is how all advanced systems start. With a crisp prompt and an initial scaffold, the platform can refine. From here, you'll have a working outline that you can grow over time. Once the process is done, add some details to make it yours. Give the workflow a clear name and a brief description so teammates instantly understand its purpose. Clarify inputs and outputs in plain language and adjust any placeholder text to match your real use case. Tighten instructions, rename steps for readability, and make sure each stage aligns with your original goal. Small edits here pay off later in reliability and handoff. When everything looks right, save your changes, and you're ready to build on this strong starting point.